Cheesy bacon corn. Ooh, popcorn. Let's see what else we got here. Candy. Ice cream sandwiches. Oh, chicken pot pie. Ham pot pie. You got your milk. 50 ounce is $2. Whole milk is $6. Got some eggs at $4 a dozen. And you got all your cakes. Right? Isn't this cute? Got jellies, pickles, all kinds of stuff in here. There's your goat milk soap. Goat milk soap. Soups. These are all different types of soups. What I do is boil them in water. Bacon. So, just cute stuff, man. Gloves, scarves. Here's pasta and pasta sauce. Eight fair speedy sauce. This stuff is great on chicken. All kinds of stuff, pickles. Oh yeah, I know what I'm coming back for. Coffee cake, cookie, peanut butter brownies. $3. Yeah. Have a good day.